Hello guys. I'm kind of scared that um, whatever entities in my world is gonna haunt me. Wait, hold on. I didn't even let the door. Wait, I did let the door open. I kind of forgot. So I took the cake, the pie, and the cookie, but I left some of it in a chest. In the chest that I placed in the person's. I don't know if it's a guy or a woman or non-binary. I'm just gonna say man. I just put some stuff in the man's house. It's kind of nighttime, so I gotta sleep. Kind of forgot though to tell you guys about it. But I did tell. Oh my gosh! But I did tell it in the in my description or something like that. Yeah. Let's check on the house. I hope it is doing all right. Considering the fact that there's like some players on my world. I mean, I would be confused if there's someone on my world. What the hell? Oh, sorry. I meant to trade with you. Wait, hold on. Sir, let me trade. What the hell? Okay, never mind. I regret talking with you. Let's see. What the hell happened, bro? It has holes. It has no hope. What does that mean? What the dude? The house was completely fine when I took a visit again. What the hell happened? What? Let's check out. No. No. Where the are those books? Where the book? The bookshelf is gone. The evidence. At least this one is still there. Nothing else. It's just the bookshelf is gone. The um the house is destroyed like it's griefed or something. Oh my gosh. You guys, I did not do this at all. I would, even though I see a house, I steal items from it, I would never destroy a masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. No. We. This is extremely bad. Dude. I would never ever do this at all. If you know me, I would never burn someone's house. At all. Oh, zombie. Wait, hold on. Um, back to what I was saying. I would never do this at all. Ooh, a cow. Okay, so in my defense, if I were to do what? Yo, what? What? Help me? Why is it shaped like a grave? Wait, I gotta communicate with it, with whoever, with whatever entity it is. I don't know what's happening in my world, but I gotta communicate with it. Um, here we go. I gotta get a chest. Wait, no, as a peace offering, I give you these roses. Hold on. I think, I think that the entity has a house. I think the entity's house was like griefed. I think that was the entity's house. I don't know actually, but we gotta help it any way possible, or else my world is gonna be haunted, and I'm gonna have to make another one. I'm gonna take anything that's red, just as a peace offering. Okay, guys. The All right. Um. I give this puppy. I give these red roses as a peace offering. Um. Please, forgive me for um taking your items, and yeah, that's all. I didn't grieve your house. I just took your items, and also gave some of it to you back. I apologize for taking your items and um not helping you when I didn't know your house was gonna be grief. I am very sorry. I hope you forgive me. Okay, wait. I gotta change the icon to. I hope that helps it. This one, throw to the garbage. Throw 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 it away. I don't think they like red. I don't think they like wither rose or something like that. Probably reminds them of something. So I'm gonna help it take it away. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Alright. Um let's hope the entity accepts my apology, and wait, what if I give this gold ingot to them? Hold on. I mean, I think they have a friend or something like that. They have a friend that likes gold, yellow or something. I think the flowers are, I guess, I don't know, man. I don't know things about this. Hold on. You know what? There you go. There's a piece, um, here's my red dye. Wait, hold on. Here's my red dye. And, I hope you can forgive me. Once again. Alright, let's hope the entity, forgives me. I might as well have to help the house rebuild. Why do I keep forgetting to close these doors, man? This is the third time or something like that. Ugh. It's bad. I also need to give some cookies. I don't know. Uh, okay. Hold on, I gotta eat the apple. I should have gave the apple to. Oh man, I am so sorry. I kind of forgot. They're like, I don't. I think the entity only likes red things. I don't know. This looks like some kind of ritual, but whatever. Whatever takes it takes the entity to forgive me. All right. That's just it of the video. Wait, no, no, it's not it. I gotta help the house. The house. Yeah, the house. Hold on. I gotta recover some of the house. Do I have? Yeah, and I need some. Oh, I need some wood. Oh, great! Just as I wanted. The day becomes night. Everyone try to do something. Okay, I didn't even break that, bro. The hell? Okay. I gotta do this quick. Chop the trees quickly, or else the zombies will get to me, and I don't want any creepers to explode the house. That will make it worse, and the entity will kill me. Alright. Now I gotta lock it. Okay, what the hell? Gotta bounce, I say. Alright. Okay, I kind of forgot that there's like. Can you shut up? Oh gosh, dude, this is so bad. Just going back here is just, oh gosh. So much work. Dude, I wonder why. Okay, dude. I wonder what happened to this house. Why did it like got griefed? He uses slabs for. Okay. I thought it was. I mean, it was obvious. Why am I so dumb? God dang it. What's with my leg, bro? Oh gosh, dude. Oh gosh, I need a crafting table. God dang it. Yeah, these are the items I left for the entity. I think it's an entity. I don't actually know. Hold on, I gotta make a crafting table. Me and my dumb times, bruh. Okay. Oh gosh. My leg is not loving this at all. Now the slabs. Oh, okay, dude. Okay. Now I gotta work on the slabs. I hope that's enough. Oh yeah, the stairs too. I think I need to work on the carpet too, but I don't. Oh gosh, I was about to burp. Yeah, that's literally it. I gotta get Thank goodness I made a shear when that happened. To be honest, I wouldn't even make a shear, but I just wanted to make one because I need wool. But then I just see the wolf just killing the sheeps. So I just low-key don't mind it. Oh gosh, how do I get the red dye though? Oh gosh. Why did I offer the entity my dye? The dye the oh gosh. Oh wait, that's my favorite color. Lilac. Magenta. They don't have any what's it called again? Teal. I really like teal, but whatever. Okay, this I'll give the remaining to the entity when I'm done. Why is it 8? Honey sweet, not sweet as you. Roses are red, violets are blue. It was just like going around. Is that a village? Huh. At least I have bees though. That's weird, child. It's a village. Yo. Can I stop by, please? I'm gonna stop by. And steal all their jobs. Is this beer? I mean this thing. Oh, it's potatoes. Huh. I'm sleeping. I gotta explore this before I go and lock in. Glad to see there's iron here. I can give it to the entity as a peace offering. Oh, I kind of forgot I had some iron. That's fine. Gosh. There's there's 2 beds here. This is kind of cute. Ah! Iron golem. Yellow bed. I'm not gonna trade you with my. I'm not gonna trade you. My carrot. Ooh, there's a chest. Fine by me. Yes. Yeah, there we go. That's the bag of offering. Oh, thank you. I need to take some drool. I'm so sorry. There's also a cat. I thought I was hungry for a second. Alright. I'm just dealing. Paper. Nice. Map name. Map 0. Map 0. Map 0. Okay. I'm just gonna keep the papers. I think that's all in this village. Okay. Wait, yeah, I kind of forgot. God dang it, bro. I'm on 1%. Okay, I changed my thing or something. Yeah. It's my shears. Okay. You come here. I have to shear you. I'm so sorry, man. There's already like sheeps, and I'm just ignoring them. Just griefing this to help the griefing of a house. Oh, iron. At this point, I'm just getting distracted by things. Okay. Now that I have enough wool, let's go. But do I even have enough dye to dye them all? Oh no, dude, that's literally so bad. I just committed what was it again? I just like took some people's things and just to help this house. Wait, that was okay. Okay, there we go. From what I can tell, it was like there we go. But since like get real. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm literally in an ARG and this is what I do. I don't know what I'm doing. The entity is gonna be like, what the hell is this child doing, bro? This is not. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go back. It is time to go beast mode. Can't believe this. Wait, hold on. It isn't changed yet. Okay. Here's your here it is. And here is the iron I collected for you. Well, some of them are yours, but it is all yours now. I hope you are appreciating the hard work I did to save your house. Okay, that is all. I hope you can forgive me a lot. Thank you, and have a good day. Oh gosh, that was a apologizing, bro. I'm not that good to apologizing to a goddamn to a goddamn entity. Oh my gosh, I just slammed the door on myself. That's so rude of me. How do I color a ball? I didn't have time to get lilac, but it's fine. God dang it, I don't have enough, bro. It's fine. I'm just gonna put just gonna put like this. What am I doing? Looks like a parrot, to be honest. I'm gonna cook the potatoes and end this video. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna suffer, editing this video, but whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a great day, and I hope the entity forgives me. Yeah, goodbye.